Hi, good day everybody. I have a new project. This is run with Raspberry Pi Zero. Okay, as you can see, Raspberry Pi Zero. I put it in a little box, so it's sort of easy to manage. Okay, and I've added a little GPIO list so you can see which GPIO is which on this line here, because they don't have numbers. And the feed, the BBC feed news RSS, is displayed on an OLED screen, or display as you want to call it, and that is the way it works. It scrolls through, and I've added on a timestamp, which this will give you an idea when was the news published. Okay, so this was 9 o'clock last night, and also depend if which area they are. Okay, so here are the code. Let me just put them on. Alright, you can see the code. I'm running on Python 3, by the way. This is the code which I will publish on the YouTube channel. One thing you must keep in mind, you have to install luma.core and luma.oled device. You do that via yeah. You use the terminal, which is basically Linux. And in this case, if you do have Python 3, okay, if you don't have a Python 3, you type Python 3, you have to type a sudo apt update, and then you do sudo apt install Python 3 dash pipe I2C dash tools. Okay, but that I will type it. I will type it on the code, as you can see how it will run and what you should do. Any case, here it shows you on the Linux terminal. You can see pipe 3 install luma.oled feed parsers pillar. Okay, so if you do have the Luma, you don't have to worry about this, but if you don't have the Luma, you can just install the Luma and it will run this project. Okay, this is a desktop of the Pi Zero W. That's called W because it's got, as you see here, it has Wi-Fi configuration. So the way this one works, it's a real VNC viewer, which you can view your desktop, your Pi Zero, Pi Raspberry Pi desktop, on your desktop of your PC, your Windows desktop. So that's all you do. You just make it easier, so you don't have to reboot on a separate screen and then work on that separately. So I found this much easier. And okay, so let's go back to the project, and then this is the way it works. Okay, so it's a Raspberry Pi Pico. Sorry, this is not a Pico, this is Zero. Alright, so I think I've explained everything. Okay, so yeah, well, I hope you enjoy, and yeah, if you need anything, please drop a post. Thank you very much, and please give me a thumbs up if you like it. Okay, ciao.